Amidst the hills and mountains of Manipur, there's a mount, the most unique and special. Kasuakbut, located in Taosang land. Your boot of God's clean, green and free. The charming kasuakbut blooms up there. Ooh, how wonderful the creation of God.
Ooh, lovely, charming flower, kasuakbut, oh lovely, charming flower. Most enchanting flower, such beauty beyond to praise, the altar of beauty to God we praise. Steeps and mountains challenging the climb, uphill the task cannot resist to climb. Spirit of kasuakbut beckons welcome. Since you bloom up there, I long to be there. There, kasuakbut, how beautiful you are. You're most precious and dearest to behold. Charming flower, kasuakbut, oh lovely, charming flower. Sailing home's most enchanting flower, such beauty beyond was to praise, the altar of beauty to God we praise.
Never should to fade to freeze time beauty. Your charm goes through the hills and valleys. Road preachers long to be atop your height. Soaring high breathing, free, enthusiastic. Just be part of the eternal beauty.
Ooh, lovely, charming flower, kasuakbut, oh lovely, charming flower. Sailing home's most enchanting flower, such beauty beyond was to praise, the altar of beauty to God we praise. I love and cherish the beauty of kasuakbut, a nation I shall always keep to be always soaring high amidst the clouds, where the victors and champions dare to risk. Yes, kasuakbut, you stand tall for me to be strong. You stand tall for me to be strong. You stand tall for me to be strong.